Your privacy, the management and control of who can see what you share on Facebook is, for the most part, completely within your control. And this includes who can see your friends list. Now, how do you manage this information? Specifically your friends list. Let me show you how to do that. You go over here to you click on settings and privacy. Now, I would have gone to settings, but I'm going to teach you now, go to privacy checkup. It's a pretty powerful little feature on Facebook. In privacy setup or privacy checkup, go straight to who can see what you share. In here, who can see what you share includes your profile information, your audience, your tagging, and your blocking. What we're going to really look at is profile information. Interestingly enough, that's where your friends list shows up. Let's go look at that. Now, you don't need to see all this information, my phone number, my email addresses, my birthday, and my hometown, etc., etc. But down below that, you'll see that there's relationships and friends and following. Relationships, I have it set up, only I can see my Facebook relationships, which, by the way, I don't even put that on Facebook anymore. And then also down below that is friends and following. Who can see your friends list? In this case, me. I am the only one who can see my friends list. I do not share that with anyone. How do you change that? Look at this. I'm going to click on that. Now, interestingly enough, there's a bunch of options here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there's 9 different options, including custom lists. I can make it 100% public so everybody can see who my friends are. I can let only my friends see it. I can let friends accept certain people. I can let specific friends. I can choose only me, which is what I did. I can I can use custom, which includes using included list and excluded list. And then there's custom list down below. There's acquaintances, close friends, and a group called Murgles. You make a decision about which audience you want to be able to see your friends list. In this case, I'm going to say only me, and you hit done. Now, this is going to continue on. If I hit next, it's going to say, audience who can see my future posts, who can see my stories. I can limit my prior posts, and I can limit who can see my upcoming reels. The 3rd out of 4 option is who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. I chose only my friends. When you're tagged in a post and reviewing, by the way, I always turn on any review option. And then the last one over here is, blocking. This is where I can block individuals and unblock people who I feel deserve to be unblocked. And then I hit next and I hit X and I come back to the privacy checkup and I've just changed who can see my friends list on Facebook. Hey, I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risk and the fears of using technology, including social media, and I hope this is helpful for you.